What if the secret to faster muscle recovery has been sitting in your fridge this whole time? After a brutal workout, your muscles aren't just tired, they're at war. Microscopic tears, inflammation flooding your tissue, free radicals attacking your cells like tiny demolition crews. Your body is screaming for help. Most athletes reach for protein shakes or ice baths, but scientists found something else. Something green, something ancient. Chlorophyll-rich superfoods like spirulina and wheatgrass. And they don't just help recovery, they might actually speed it up. Here's where it gets wild. Chlorophyll, the stuff that makes plants green, looks almost identical to your blood. Seriously, it has the same structure as hemoglobin, except it uses magnesium instead of iron. When you flood your system with these greens, you're essentially giving your body extra ammunition, but not in the way you think. The chlorophyll doesn't magically become blood. Instead, it breaks down into powerful compounds that hunt down those free radicals, destroying your muscle tissue. Think of them as cleanup crews after a storm. Studies on spirulina showed something remarkable. Athletes taking it had lower levels of muscle damage markers, less inflammation, faster bounce back times. Wheatgrass showed similar promise, both packed with antioxidants that don't just sit there, they actively fight the oxidative stress tearing your muscles apart. And here's the kicker, while your muscles break down, these compounds help trigger the repair process faster. They support the complex dance of inflammation and healing your body does naturally, not replacing it, amplifying it. Now let's be real, this isn't magic. You can't skip protein, you can't ignore sleep. You can't replace proven recovery methods with just a green smoothie. But as part of your arsenal, as that extra edge, the science suggests something's there. Elite athletes aren't ditching their protocols for spirulina, but many are adding it, stacking these nutrient-dense foods alongside everything else that works. Your body already knows how to heal itself. Maybe these ancient greens just help it remember how to do it faster. The war inside your muscles doesn't have to last as long. Sometimes the oldest solutions hold the newest answers.